Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and you're watching in me Australia. So in the part 1 of the Christmas decoration in Melbourne video, you must have seen the Federation Square and quite a few places that were beautifully decorated in the Christmas lights. But that video was just part 1 because as soon as I reached the Victoria State Library, I realized that it was 11:15 and the light show that happens for Christmas that happens between 9 to 11, so I couldn't shoot that. So today I'm going there again to continue my journey to explore the different Christmas lights that are there in Melbourne, so come along with me. So after running for 17 to 18 minutes, finally I reached to State Library Victoria and it's beautiful. I'll just show it to you. So this is State Library Victoria. It's a huge building. And that's the Christmas festival. It's really pretty. So they have these light shows going on from 9 to 11. A lot of people trying to click pictures. So we are done with State Library and it's time for Town Hall. It's 10:45. We're late, so we need to rush. Let's go, let's go! I don't want to miss it this time. I've missed it enough. That's the Melbourne Town Hall. If you can see there, I don't know. Yeah, it's 10:50, right on time. 11 o'clock this show ends. Yeah, that's the Town Hall. Really pretty. आज वैसे इतना crowded नहीं है. I mean, the roads are empty. I think probably because tomorrow is 31st, so most people are not in Melbourne. They are enjoying their holidays. It's almost 11 p.m. It's time to say goodbye to all of this until we meet next year, maybe in a no COVID world. Yeah, the new year is here and now you'll see a tram. That's Melbourne tram. While I was editing this video, I realized कि काफ़ी छोटा हो गया है, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपको दिखाऊं कि मैंने बॉक्सिंग डे सेल पे क्या क्या खरीदा. सो बॉक्सिंग डे सेल होता है हर साल 26 दिसंबर को ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, सो जिस द नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ क्रिसमस. यूजुअली जितने भी बड़े ब्रांड्स होते हैं उनमें एनीवेयर बिटवीन 20 to 80% ऑफ या डिस्काउंट होता है. स्टोर्स पे होता है. अगर आप मॉल में जाओगे, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ स्टोर्स विल हैव सम or the other kind of discount. Now this discount is both online and offline, तो आप स्टोर पे जाके भी परचेज कर सकते हो और कुछ ब्रांड्स जो है वो ऑनलाइन भी आपको ये डिस्काउंट देते हैं. सो ऑन द 26th आई वेंट टू मेलबर्न सेंट्रल मॉल एंड मैंने वहाँ से कुछ शॉपिंग की. ऑल्दो आई डू नॉट प्रमोट shopping and hauls and all those kind of videos. I am trying to be a minimalist और ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे genuinely चाहिए थी, इसलिए मैंने खरीदा है. So this is the last time that you're watching a haul video on my channel. I'm not going to do it ever again because I don't believe in just buying stuff for the sake of buying it. Buy it if you really need it. It's very important for the environment that you only buy things that you really need. Okay, let's cut it short. I'll just show you what all I've got. So the first thing is I got these gym pants from Adidas. I have been wearing it, तो थोड़ा अजीब सा आपको दिख रहा होगा. But these are these long stretchy pants. Just normal. यहाँ पे branding है दोनों side पे. It's really high waisted, so you can see this waistband. ये काफी broad है. Really comfortable. बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं था इस पर, बट आई नीडेड इट सो आई गॉट इट. थोड़ा बहुत डिस्काउंट मुझे इस पर मिला है. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अ जीन्स. इट्स अ स्ट्रेट फिट जीन्स. दिस इज द कलर. दिस इज फ्रॉम Levi's. Again, I wanted a jeans from a very long time in the same shade. I don't usually experiment with a lot of different colors of jeans, so basic blue. So I got this. इस पे मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिल गया जस्ट जीन्स पे. दिस वॉज जस्ट फॉर $60, तो काफ़ी अच्छा इस पे डिस्काउंट मिल गया. देन आई वेंट टू यूनिक्लो एंड आई गॉट दीज रियली क्यूट कम्फी. ये वेलवेट है. इट्स ब्लू इन कलर, थोड़ा पर्पलिश ब्लूइश कलर है इसका, बट इट्स रियली कंफर्टेबल अगर आपको जर्नी में जाना है या just ऐसी athleisure is quite in these days. So I got this one from Uniqlo. It's not very expensive, but really cozy. The next thing that I got is this is just a normal white sweatshirt from Fila. I really like that. It's like chota branding and nothing else. This is also really comfortable. And Melbourne में sweatshirts और jackets हमेशा चाहिए होते हैं. So yeah, I have stopped investing in t-shirts and I've started investing in ऐसे पतले वाले जो sweatshirts होते हैं, hoodies होते हैं उनमें, because yeah, you always need them in Melbourne. Clothing में the last thing that I got was this jacket. I love the color of this one. It's a puffer jacket from Kathmandu. It's this way. So ये both आपको हवा से भी बचाता है और this is water resistant, and that is so important again in Melbourne क्योंकि कभी भी बारिश हो जाती है and you want something that is waterproof. And Kathmandu is quite famous in Australia. सबके पास एक काठमांडू जैकेट होता ही है जो आप यूजुअली कहीं भी जाते हो तो पहन के जाते हो, बिकॉज बहुत हवा चल रही होती है and you need something that will protect you from the strong winds. So yeah, I got this one. Usually people prefer it in black color. मुझे ये कलर बहुत ही प्यारा लगा and I had been eyeing on this one since 6-7 months, but येलो कलर में अवेलेबल ही नहीं था. बट बाई चांस बॉक्सिंग डे पे 50% डिस्काउंट पे मुझे ये येलो कलर मेरे साइज में मिल गया. सो आई वॉज क्वाइट हैप्पी विद दिस वन. नाउ लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आई एम जस्ट डंपिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस ऑन माई चेयर, इज दैट आई थिंक आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दैट यहाँ पे हील्स से ज़्यादा आपको रनिंग शूज़ काम आते हैं बिकॉज यू नीड टू वॉक फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेज. सो मैंने लास्ट टाइम जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम इनफैक्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया मूव हुई थी तो मैंने प्यूमा के शूज़ खरीदे थे. उनकी हालत अब बुरी हो चुकी है बिकॉज मैंने लिटरली उनको घिसा है. जहाँ भी मैं जाती थी मैं बिल्कुल वही पहनती थी. सो आई नीड न्यू शूज़ ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई गो टू द जिम एंड आई यूज द सेम शूज़. सो आई गॉट दीज वंस. दीज आर फ्रॉम नाइकी, द नाइकी एयर मैक्स. Show to you. Okay. This is how it looks. These are the Nike Air Max. React 270. That's the big brand name, model name, not the brand name. Sorry, the model name. This is how they look. It's really nice. It has some pink and green going on, and then there's black and white and a lot of colors. So yeah, this is what I got. The problem with this one was that I went to a lot of Nike stores here in Melbourne. I also went to Foot Locker and JD Sports and stores like this, but they didn't have my size. shoes go off really quickly. So सबको सेल पे शूज़ खरीदने होते हैं यूजुअली बिकॉज काफ़ी अच्छा इन पे भी डिस्काउंट होता है. But I was not getting my size, so what I did was I went to the store and I checked my size. एक जूता पहन के देख लिया and then I ordered them online because Nike had this discount going on, the sale going on both online and offline. And the same shoes was not available in my size in the Nike store in Melbourne Central. So what I did was I tried on the different shoes to check my size and then I ordered them online. In fact, the Kathmandu jacket that you just saw, this is also something that I ordered online. So अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि you know when you went to the store and you don't have your size or maybe you're not getting what you wanted, check online on the website. वहाँ पे usually stock काफी होता है and you get it. So that's what I did. That was all the things that I got on the Boxing Day sale, and as I told you, this is the last time you're going to watch a haul video on my channel. But anyhow, if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends, definitely consider subscribing. A happy new year to everyone. I hope to make meaningful content throughout the year, and if you want to join this journey, definitely consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.